Hi everyone, my name is Seth with Amazing Gates, and today we're going to learn how to program your AG wireless keypad to the AG 900 operating system. To program your AG wireless keypad to your control board, all you're going to do is hit 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then star, then 5, pound. I have a single gate, so I'm going to hit 0, 1 pound, but if you have a dual gate, you'll hit 0, 2 pound. Then all you're going to do is go to your red learn button here, and then go ahead and press it. You'll get your 3 beeps and then display screen saying how many devices you have. The keypad will be exiting programming mode, and then you should be able to enter your code. After programming your AG wireless keypad to your control board, next is we want to program your 4-digit unique code to open the gate. To do that, you're going to enter program mode by hitting 0 4 times, and then hitting star. Next, if you have a single gate, you'll hit 0, 1 pound, which I do, and if you have a dual gate, you'll hit 0, 2 pound. Next, you want to enter your 4-digit unique code that you want. For our example, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pound. For any further questions, please visit our website in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.